thrilled to announce and bring up to the podium your new head coach of the BGSU women's basketball program, Robyn Fralick.
And that was the scene this afternoon at the Stroh Center down in Bowling Green. Here it is. This is Sports Nightly. My name is Eric Halbert. As we told you last night, the BGSU Falcons hired Robyn Fralick as their new head women's basketball coach, who spent the last 10 years at Ashland and 1 year at the University of Toledo. It may have been a first. The newest head coach of the Bowling Green State University Falcons takes a moment to thank a former University of Toledo coach in her opening remarks.
Coach Mark Elin, who I worked for at the University of the University of Toledo. I caught myself there. And he has been a mentor and friend to me through all these years, and he's still always one phone call away and incredibly supportive.
So first of all, welcome to Bowling Green. How difficult is it for a former University of Toledo assistant to say Isaac Zumba?
It wasn't hard at all. I'm thrilled for the opportunity to be here. It's almost overwhelming, to get this sort of an opportunity. So, yeah, I will say that with pride and with enthusiasm.
That feeling is echoed by her new boss, Athletic Director Bob Moosbrugger, who tried to list the incredible statistics surrounding Fralick's coaching career. That 104-3 record, the national championship, the coach of the year.
I could go on and on. Hopefully you got your own press release. It's 2 pages long.
You look at that record, and that's a ridiculous record. And hopefully the fans here will understand that just doesn't happen. We know she's going to have success here. Hopefully she can have it next year. But we're looking forward to see what she can do for our program. She's an outstanding young woman.
You've been to a national championship game 2 years ago. You were at a national championship game this past year. Can you go to a national championship game coming up here with the Falcons?
I mean, that would be great. I mean, that's why we all coach and play, right? To win and play at the highest level. But that our focus is going to be on our daily things we can control and building a culture that we're going to be sustainable in.
To do that, she'll have to win over the players who were recruited by Jennifer Roos.
I think just a different perspective is always great. And I think Coach Roos, everything that she had it worked really well, but I think we're just really excited for change.
And finally, does the fact that she coached at Toledo for a little bit bother you at all?
Well, I actually didn't know that until just now at the press conference, but I mean, you got to go places to get here.
And Fralick will be here with her family, son William, daughter Sierra, and husband Tim, who coached boys high school basketball at Ashland before becoming a volunteer assistant for his wife. Obviously, the old school traditional family network is a little bit out the window with you guys. How do you make it work with the 2 kids and the coaching and that life?
Robyn does a great job of integrating our family into the team. So we bring our family to the gym. We come to games. My parents and her parents are very helpful during games and watching them. In fact, during games at Ashland, parents would watch the kids, parents of our players, and they were great with them. We're fortunate to where they really enjoy spending time in the gym, and our girls have always been very good to them.
You mentioned your kids and your husband as well, the unique relationship you guys had at Ashland where he was an unpaid assistant. Any plans of bringing that up here to Bowling Green?
We're all still in the works of trying to figure out. I mean, that's going to be one of my priorities immediately is figuring out staff. But right now it's just been such a whirlwind, so that's all to be determined.
And while some coaching decisions are yet to be determined, the importance of family in Fralick's coaching philosophy is not.
There's a difference between wanting to become like a family and being a family, and we're going to work hard at being a family.